Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope that you are doing well. Happy February. We are a month into 2021. What do we think? How's it going? My last week of January was definitely like one of the more chaotic weeks that I've had in a while. We had a lot going on with hot water heater breaking, a huge storm in California. Moose got into like all of the possible puppy trouble that you can get into. He just decided that like last week was the week that he was going to show us exactly who he is now. He's a little bit calmer this week, so we're happy about that, and we haven't had too many more incidences. And we have hot water again. We got our hot water heater fixed, so that's been really great. And I think we're heading into another stormy couple of days in California. So that being said, the sun is out today, and I wanted to take advantage of that to film my January favorites for you guys. I hope you've been having a good month. I'm always curious to know what you guys have been loving, so make sure to let me know what some of your favorite products were this month in the comments. Let's hop in, because I actually don't have too many, and hopefully this will be a much shorter video than last week. I feel like every time I do a skincare review, it always turns into like an almost 30-minute video, and that's after editing down like an hour's worth of footage. So really love to talk about skincare, but today's gonna be pretty short, so let's hop in. I only have one makeup item to share with you guys, and that's because I really haven't been wearing makeup. I don't feel like I need to say that at this point. That's just 2020, like merging into 2021, just not a big makeup year for me. But I did try out this new mascara last month, and I've been loving it. You guys have recommended this mascara to me so many times, and I've been like, yep, I'm gonna try it. And then finally I got a little sample size, and I tried it, and I love it. You guys were totally right. It is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. And I've talked about this in a lot of other videos, but the reason I really love it is because of the brush. So you have sort of like this thicker side with a lot of bristles, and then you have just like one straight linear line of kind of like sequential, evenly spaced bristles. So you can use half of the brush to kind of build up the volume, and you can go back through on the other half of the brush and comb through it to make sure that it's not clumpy or really sticking your lashes together. And I personally really like a long kind of wispy look to my lashes. So this mascara has just been a total win for me. Highly recommend if you haven't tried it, just like you guys recommended to me, try it out. I have the mini size. It's lasting me totally fine. I'm not totally sure if they sell this in a mini size or if you only can buy the full size. Either way, check it out. It's a great mascara, and I've really been loving it. Okay, next up is body care. I guess I have kind of like a routine favorite, which I wasn't planning on talking about, but I made kind of a intention for myself in 2021 that I wanted to do this more often, and that's dry brushing. I've been like in and out of it for years. But I wanted to do dry brushing in a different way. So usually I just kind of like sweep it up towards my heart, but I wanted to actually like get a little bit more exfoliation with dry brushing. So I've been using like a circular motion all over my body and really enjoying that. And I've noticed a big difference in terms of the softness in my skin. And then I've also been using this body oil, which I really love. So this is the One Love Organics Botanical Seed Body Oil. Pretty much every product that I've tried from One Love Organics I've loved so far. But this smells like their vitamin B cleanser, which if you have, then you know it smells so good. And I just really love this. It's not a super heavy oil. It doesn't leave you feeling really slippery after using it. Disclaimer, if you have a dog, they will try and like lick it all off of you. So I have to like be very careful running from our bathroom to my bedroom and avoiding Moose, or else like my legs will just get covered in slobber, and it's disgusting. But if you don't have a dog, then don't worry about that. Anyway, this is just a really great body oil, lightweight, like I said, really helps to like nourish your skin, especially with dry skin during the winter. I have like kind of flaky dry skin, especially when I shave. This has been really helping with that, just to keep my skin feeling hydrated and smooth. And I just love the way that this feels. This has been a really good find. This might be one of my favorite body oils that I've tried so far. And I've been using it for, gosh, about 2 months, and I use it after every single time that I shower. So it's really lasted me quite a while, considering the amount and how often I use it. So highly recommend checking this out if you're into body oils. You want something lightweight, you want something that's nourishing, but it's not going to make you feel super slippery. Definitely look into this one. Okay, next up I have 2 final products, and they're both skincare products. So the first, you guys heard me talk about a lot last week, so I'm not going to talk too much about it, but it is the Tracy Martin Enzyme Exfoliant Mask. This was one of my favorite products that I tried from that line. Really enjoying it. It was one of those products where you're just like, oh, that is perfect and exactly what my skin needs. So if you want to know more about this product, go and watch my review from last week. I will have it linked up here somewhere, and then down in the description box too. So you guys can go check it out, and I have everything time stamped in that video, so you can like just watch about this product if you want. But really great product, really fun color, and yeah, just I've been absolutely loving it, and so has my skin. And the last product I think I've touched on in a video, but I haven't talked too much about it, and that is the Dr. Barbara Sturm Clarifying Spot Treatment. So I have their untinted version, but they do have tinted versions that are a little bit more like a concealer. I use this as a skincare step at the end of my night. If I have any spots that have popped up, then I just put this on. It's like a clear jelly. It has tea tree oil in it, lots of other antibacterial, anti-inflammatory ingredients that will help. And I was using this for a while, started the Tracy Martin skincare routine, dedicated myself to only using that brand and not trying anything else. So I put this kind of on the back shelf. And then recently, just in the last week or two, I pulled it back out because I did that review for you guys. And now I'm kind of incorporating other products back into my routine. And this was one of them. And I realized how much I love this product and how much it really, really helps if you get spots. It's just one of those like miracle products where you put it on at night and then you wake up in the morning and your spot is like vanished. Oh, okay. I shouldn't say vanished. It's like gone from puffy red disgusting to just flat and a little bit red. And that works for me because if you're trying to cover something up, it's much easier to cover something that's flat than something that's very dimensional on your face. It just solves so many problems. And if I keep applying this like night after night to the same spot, I just feel like it fades so much quicker, and it really helps avoid post-inflammatory scarring on my skin. So this has been kind of like a savior product if I'm breaking out, and just something I feel like I'll always have kind of like in my arsenal of skincare that I can pull out and use and know that this is really going to help if I have like something important the next day and I've broken out or whatever. It's definitely a pretty incredible product and works so well for my skin. All right, that is it. I told you guys this was going to be a short video. Not too many products to talk about this month, not too much to talk about this month, but hopefully I saved you an earful of me babbling like I usually do. Try to be very concise with this one. Let me know again what your favorite products were in January. I'm always curious to know. I hope you guys had a great start to the new year. Hopefully that continues and we have a really good 2021 moving forward. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's a great way to support anyone's channel that you are enjoying, and just means so much that you guys come back week after week to watch these videos. If you have any suggestions or any videos that you want to see, make sure to let me know in the comments down below, and go check out last week's video on Tracy Martin skincare. It was a really fun one and it took a long time to put together, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Otherwise, just a huge thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!